right, guys, so we're gonna start with side lift planks. And we're gonna get on our sides, elbows to the floor, and we're gonna go down and up. We're gonna look forward and we're gonna be breathing. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna switch sides. And same thing on the other side now. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we're gonna break. Next one's gonna be side crunches. Whew. All right. Gonna take a break, drink some water. So now some side crunches. We're gonna lay on our sides and lift our leg a little bit. And we're gonna do some crunches. You wanna squeeze when you get to the top. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna switch sides. So same thing on the other side now. We're gonna squeeze. Squeeze at the top. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I want you to hold and squeeze. And take a break now. Next one is gonna be bicycle crunches. So we're gonna lay flat on the ground, hands on your head, and we're just gonna pretend we're riding a bicycle on the floor. Just keep going, breathe, neck up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now we're gonna do some starfish crunches. All right, 1, 2, and 3. So we're just gonna touch our toes, diagonal, like from hand to your other leg. One hand to the leg on this side, one on the other. So we're gonna push through these abs. You gotta work for them. You gotta work. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. And if you want to stretch your abs, you'll always do this, stretch. And then stretch your abs. Okay. Next one is going to be sitting leg raises. So this one's going to be on your lower, you're going to feel it on your lower abs. You can put your hands on your butt so you can stay steady, but you have to make sure your chest is up. Always look up or straight, not down. Chest up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. All right. And then we're gonna do some leg and hip raises. All right. Have to catch your breath. All right. And we're gonna lift. You have to have your back straight, like flat on the surface on the floor, and make sure you don't have a curve going on here. It's gonna mess up your lower back, so make sure, if you have a curve on there, just bend your knees and then go straight up, bend your knees, straight up, bend your knees, straight up. If you don't have that problem, you have a flat back, you can just do regular leg raises. But for me, I have to do it this way. Breathe when you're down, up, out. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, 15-second break. Almost there. You guys have it. You guys got it. Don't give up just yet. And we're gonna do some leg raises. Whew. Of course, stretch. Right. Okay. All right, so we're gonna lay flat, right on the floor, back flat. Hands on your butt if you need. If not, you wanna make it more challenging, you can have them on your sides, but I'm gonna need half of my hand. So we're just gonna go like this, scissor leg. Flat back. We're gonna finish off strong. Just push through. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and comment and subscribe if you guys really like this ab circuit. And thanks again for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.